Xiaomi held a grand event yesterday, where it unveiled the Xiaomi 17T series smartphones, along with the Smart Band 10 Pro and Xiaomi Buds 6. But it's not just that. The company expanded its smart home lineup with the global launch of the new robot vacuums, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H50, and the more advanced Robot Vacuum H50 Pro. The new models are designed to reduce the amount of manual cleaning users need to do at home. Both vacuums come with self-maintaining charging stations that can automatically collect dust and manage mop cleaning. Xiaomi is also focusing on stronger suction and improved corner cleaning with this generation. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H50 Pro sits at the top of the lineup and features a 15,000 pascal suction system designed to remove dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The vacuum also uses extendable side brushes and mop pads that can move outward to clean edges, corners, and areas close to walls more effectively. Xiaomi has equipped the Pro model with a self-cleaning dock that handles dust collection, mop washing, and hot air drying. According to the company, the station can store dust for up to 75 days before users need to empty it manually. The robot also features laser-based navigation with obstacle detection and full home mapping capabilities. The vacuum also has an anti-tangle brush system that reduces hair wrapping around the brushes during operation. The H50 Pro is powered by a 5,200 mAh battery that can run for up to 180 minutes and clean spaces as large as 240 square meters on a single charge. The standard Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H50 offers a slightly more affordable option while still including several premium features. It comes with 10,000 pascal suction, LDS laser navigation, and an all-in-one docking station with automatic dust collection and water tank management. Users can also control the vacuum through the Xiaomi Home app, where they can set schedules, create virtual walls, and select specific cleaning zones. Xiaomi says the standard model also includes anti-tangle brush designs to help minimize maintenance. In terms of pricing, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H50 starts at £359 in the UK and €399 in Europe. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H50 Pro is priced at £459 in the UK and €499 in European markets.